first off, I would inform the client that there are ways that Texas has already protected your assets. These assets include exempt assets, and exempt assets in Texas include the homestead, a retirement plan like a 401k, a 403b, an IRA. Those assets are already protected from creditors. In addition, life insurance and annuities are protected from creditors. And so Texas has already provided a broad range of asset protection benefits to its citizens. Beyond that, I would discuss for a high net worth client, or a client who has real estate that's not the homestead, we might talk a little bit about creating a business entity such as an LLC or a limited partnership to own those assets so that it can make it very difficult for a creditor to attach and take those assets from the client. In addition, when wealth passes from one generation to the next, it's really an opportunity to protect those assets from creditors when they pass to the second generation. And one of the most important ways that can happen is through the use of irrevocable trusts. And we recommend irrevocable trusts for assets passing to the next generation routinely to our clients, because when assets pass to their children in trust, then it's like bubble wrapping the inheritance and delivering that inheritance to the child. The child can still be trustee of the trust. They can still consume the assets of the trust for their health, education, maintenance, and support. And they can still maintain testamentary freedom with respect to the trust, so that when they pass away, they can say who receives the assets remaining in their trust. And so there are a lot of benefits to the trust, because the trust it enables those assets to be protected from the child's creditors, bankruptcy, lawsuits, and failed marriages. And so just to summarize, I would encourage clients to invest in exempt assets, to consider the use of business entities in their estate plan if they have real estate or that's not their homestead or other invested assets. And then number 3, I would recommend the client consider forming trusts within their estate plan for the benefit of their children, so that when their children inherit wealth, that wealth is protected.